What's up everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install some rear shock spacers for an ISF from Figs Engineering. I had a lot of camera issues recording this, so I'm going to show you a bunch of photos during the install. So here's the rear load control arm. There are two 19mm that you need to remove to drop the load control arm off to the side. In the trunk, once you move the liner, you'll see three 14mm bolts on each side of the strut, and you're going to have to remove these as well. Once you have the bolts removed from the top of the struts, there are going to be two 10mm bolts holding the liner in place. You're going to remove these to get to the 12mm bolts behind there that are holding the struts in. This is what the spacer looks like on top of the strut. Once you have the spacer on top of the strut, we're just going to reassemble everything. One thing to note is that the two 12mm bolts that originally held the strut in place behind the fender liner will no longer fit there. So you can just keep those bolts off to the side. And you can reinstall everything backwards, so the two 10mm on the fender liner, the three 14mm on the top hat, and the two 19mm holding the lower control arm. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.